So right now I'm here in London trying out Huawei's latest Mate 20 Pro. So when I first heard about the emerald green, I was like, is that a color that I would like? But when I saw the real thing, it's actually amazing. I love that how it shimmers like a gemstone, just like it says, emerald green. So the new power button at the side, which is metallic red, it actually accentuates the whole color and make it look very stunning and beautiful. The new design of the Mate 20 Pro actually has this curved screen. Our first impression of looking at it was that, is this the Samsung Galaxy S9? But it's not. It's actually quite a beautiful phone as well. I mean, oh yes, you know, the design may be a little bit similar, but it does come with the notch. There's a big upgrade on this new Mate 20 Pro, which is the chipset that they're using now is the Kirin 980. Compared to P20 Pro, which is using the Kirin 970, the new Kirin 980 actually now comes with dual NPU, which is neural processing unit. So that means a more artificial intelligence kind of technology can be implemented into this smartphone. When you are overseas and then you do not understand the language, you can just turn on your camera app, turn on High Vision, and it will immediately do translation for you. On top of that, High Vision also gives you the ability to identify objects, let's say for example clothing, and you feel like you want to buy online, you can actually use High Vision to take a picture, and then it will actually identify and search online what are the list of items that are available that are close to the one that you are looking at right in front of you now. So the Huawei Mate 20 Pro now comes with an upgrade of the battery life as well. So now the capacity is actually 4200 mAh. You will have a longer battery life when using the Mate 20 Pro. The Mate 20 Pro now also comes with wireless charging, and it can super fast charge with a 15-watt charger. It also comes with a new technology which is called the reverse wireless charging. If you have excess battery to share it with your friends, they can just charge it with your phone placed together, back to back, and then you'll become a lifesaver to them. That's quite an interesting feature that Huawei is actually implementing. So the most exciting thing about the new triple camera system is that it now comes with a super wide angle, which is equivalent to a 16mm lens on the full frame camera. Now with one smartphone, you can actually capture a dramatic wide angle shot, a normal shot, a 3x optical zoom for you to capture things that are further away, or you can push it to the max with a 5x digital zoom. That's pretty awesome, right? I love that the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro comes with a lot of new features in the camera app, where now when taking portrait, the bokeh in the background, that means the small little lights in the background, you can actually change it to different shapes. It's pretty amazing. Like you like to take a lot of selfies or portrait shot, then now you can actually play around and then get creative. And girls definitely would love the heart-shaped bokeh that this camera can actually produce. So the new Mate 20 Pro has an inbuilt memory of 128GB. There is an expansion memory slot. So this new memory card slot actually uses a new kind of memory card that only Huawei is producing now. It's actually called the Nano SD card. The Nano memory card is actually a memory card that is the size and the shape of your Nano SIM card. And this new Nano SD card, I would consider it as not very cheap, because 128GB of the Nano SD card actually costs you about 100 plus Sing dollar, slightly over 100 Sing dollar. It's also pretty cool that the Mate 20 Pro actually comes with a on-screen fingerprint sensor. And the face unlock is now upgraded to a 3D face unlock. So it's supposed to be more secure than the previous version. So the retail price for the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro is actually 1349. So that price is not cheap, but it's still considered as a reasonable range when you're comparing it with all the flagship smartphones that are launched in 2018. So it really depends. If you really like to take a lot of pictures and all, I think this is actually quite a great choice. So if you find that the Mate 20 Pro is actually a bit over your budget, you could actually go for the Mate 20. The retail price of the Mate 20 is actually Singapore dollars $998. It's just slightly below $1,000. The main difference between these two devices are that the camera is actually having slightly less megapixel compared to the Mate 20 Pro, but it's still built by Leica. Instead of a curved screen, this is actually a flat screen. The top of it, the notch, is actually a dewdrop, they call it, the dewdrop knot. And the screen, instead of OLED, it's actually LCD. So the Mate 20 doesn't have an on-screen fingerprint sensor, but there's still one at the back here. So it will also come with 128GB of storage, as well as the expansion of memory with the nano SD card. The Mate 20 also doesn't come with wireless charging, so yep, you still need to use a cable for the Mate 20. As usual, Huawei also launched the Porsche Design Mate 20 RS. So the whole form factor of the Porsche Design Mate 20 RS is actually built based on the Mate 20 Pro. So the most significant difference is actually the back of the phone, where you would see the fusion between the glass back together with the leather. It's very, very beautiful, and the beautiful leather is actually handcrafted and pasted on manually onto the phone. Amazing, right? So stunning. But yes, you will have to pay a lot more for the Porsche Design. Well, but in the kit, it actually comes with quite a lot of things. There's actually this very gorgeous premium leather case that comes with a unique lock screen, just made specially for the case. The Porsche Design Mate 20 RS will actually comes with two variants of storage, 256GB and 512GB. Sad to say, Singapore will only get the black version of this phone. The red one, which is super gorgeous, it's only available in China. So if you like this quick impression of the new Mate 20 Pro, please share it with your friends, or give us a like, or even give us a comment like what are the new features that you like on this new Mate 20 Pro, or what are things that you look forward to. So do keep a lookout for our reviews on the new Mate 20 Pro. See ya, bye bye.